Exercise 22. Write code to print the following pattern, this time using a while loop. The pattern is 1 O, 2 O's, 3 O's, 4 O's, 5 O's. Okay. So we're going to print the letter O a certain number of times. So for example, if we printed times 2, it would print that. But we want to use a while loop. So while a certain condition. This condition is while a certain counter is less than or equal to 5. So we put that print inside the while loop, and of course we must create the counter before it starts. Let's start it at 1. And to avoid an endless loop, we make sure that counter is changing, otherwise it will stay at 1 and print forever. So counter plus equals 1. So that should do it. If we run this, these two should be counter. If we run this, it prints. Okay, thank you for watching. Please sign up for our coding classes at owendevs.com.